Welcome to the Big Apple's salad cream craze. There's a new culinary darling taking New York by storm: salad cream. This isn't your regular recipe, it's a viral sensation with a knack for addictive dressings. Food bloggers are raving, Instagram feeds are flooded, and even seasoned chefs are giving it their nod of approval. Searches for New York salad cream recipe have skyrocketed by 400% in the past month alone. So, what exactly is it about this seemingly ordinary condiment that has everyone going bonkers? Buckle up, food fans, as we delve into the delicious world of New York's latest obsession. The buzz surrounding this salad cream isn't just about its flavor, it's also about its intriguing backstory. Rumors swirl about its origins: a dare-by-line cooks, an old family recipe, or a napkin scribble found in a vintage cookbook. Regardless of its true beginnings, the mystery only adds to the allure of this now famous salad cream. What was once a well-kept secret is now the talk of the town, splashed across social media feeds and whispered about in trendy cafes. The real magic lies in the recipe itself. Unlike mass-produced salad creams, this New York sensation relies on fresh, high-quality ingredients. It's a far cry from the bland dressings we've come to associate with the name. This creamy concoction elevates everything from sandwiches to roasted meats. The secret? A tantalizing blend of tangy, savory, and subtly sweet notes. Before we dive into the recipe, let's break down the star ingredients that make this salad cream a culinary masterpiece. To understand the allure of New York's latest culinary obsession, one must delve into the city's rich food history. New York has always been a hotbed for culinary innovation, from bagels to cheesecake. Salad cream, despite its unassuming nature, is no exception. For generations, New Yorkers have embraced the art of the schmear, the dollop, the drizzle. These are the flavors that have shaped the city's palate, building the foundation for this new wave of salad cream enthusiasm. To trace the lineage of New York's viral salad cream, we must turn our attention to one of its key ingredients: mayonnaise. This creamy, tangy emulsion has long held a place of honor in the city's culinary repertoire. European immigrants brought with them a love for rich, creamy sauces and spreads. Mayonnaise quickly found a home in the hearts and kitchens of New Yorkers. Over time, it evolved from a simple condiment into a culinary icon. It's no surprise that salad cream, with its mayonnaise base, has struck such a chord with New Yorkers. In recent years, New York has witnessed a growing trend towards fresh, homemade, and artisanal foods. Today's discerning diners crave authenticity, flavor, and a connection to the source of their food. This shift has paved the way for the resurgence of homemade dressings and sauces, with salad cream leading the charge. By making our own dressings, we control the ingredients, ensuring that we're nourishing our bodies with wholesome, flavorful foods. It's about reclaiming the kitchen, celebrating the art of cooking, and savoring the simple pleasures of a well-crafted dressing. What sets this salad cream apart from supermarket staples? It's all about the ingredients. This isn't some haphazard concoction of emulsifiers and stabilizers. This salad cream is a celebration of fresh, simple ingredients. First and foremost, let's talk about the mayonnaise. This recipe calls for the real deal, preferably homemade with high-quality oil and farm-fresh eggs. The mayonnaise forms the backbone, providing a velvety texture and a subtle tang that balances out the other flavors. The real stars of this show are the fresh herbs. We're talking about vibrant, fragrant herbs bursting with flavor. Think feathery dill, chives, and parsley, providing a fresh, clean flavor. While the base is rooted in classic flavors, there's always room for improvisation. Try adding smoked paprika for a hint of smoky depth, or cayenne pepper for a touch of heat. The beauty of this recipe lies in its versatility, allowing for personal twists. One of the things that makes this New York salad cream special is its emphasis on local, seasonal ingredients. From farm-fresh eggs to herbs from rooftop gardens, this dressing celebrates New York's vibrant culinary landscape. By supporting local farmers, New Yorkers indulge in delicious food and invest in their community's health. Imagine selecting fresh herbs from a bustling farmer's market. These ingredients transform your salad cream, infusing it with the essence of New York City's culinary tapestry. Before we embark on this culinary adventure, let's gather our key players. Most of these ingredients are probably already in your pantry. 1 cup good quality mayonnaise, 1/4 cup finely chopped fresh dill, 1/4 cup finely chopped fresh chives, 2 tablespoons finely chopped fresh parsley, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon local honey, salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Fresh herbs are key here, folks. They add a vibrancy and depth of flavor that dried counterparts can't replicate. The quality of your mayonnaise will also make a difference. Now that we have our ingredients prepped, it's time to lay the foundation. In a large bowl, combine the mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, apple cider vinegar, and honey. Whisk these ingredients together until they're beautifully combined. The Dijon mustard provides a subtle tang, while the apple cider vinegar adds brightness. The honey lends a hint of sweetness, balancing out the tangy and savory elements. Now comes the fun part, transforming our creamy canvas into a flavor-packed masterpiece. Gently fold in the chopped dill, chives, and parsley. Add a pinch of smoked paprika for smoky depth, or cayenne pepper for heat. A pinch of garlic powder or a squeeze of lemon juice can also add intriguing dimensions. Once you're satisfied with the flavor combination, season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Give everything a final whisk, ensuring all the ingredients are well combined. For the ultimate flavor experience, refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Chilling allows the flavors to meld and deepen. When you're ready to serve, give the salad cream a final stir and get ready to elevate your culinary creations. In the bustling digital landscape, New York's sensational salad cream has captured the attention of millions. This isn't just another fleeting fad, it's a testament to the power of social media. It all started with food bloggers and Instagram influencers sharing their culinary creations. A catchy hashtag was born #NYC Salad Cream. Like wildfire, the hashtag spread, with people eager to showcase their salad-making skills. The hashtag became a symbol of culinary creativity, a shared language for food lovers across the city and beyond. The success of New York's viral salad cream can be attributed in part to the power of visual storytelling. In a world saturated with information, a captivating image can cut through the noise and leave a lasting impression. And let's be honest, this salad cream photographs beautifully. Imagine scrolling through your Instagram feed, your thumb poised to swipe, when suddenly, a vibrant image stops you in your tracks. A salad, artfully arranged on a rustic wooden table bathed in natural light. But it's the dressing that steals the show, a creamy, dreamy cascade of flavor, its texture so rich and inviting that you can practically taste it through the screen. Food bloggers and influencers, masters of their craft, understood the assignment. They styled their salads with an artist's eye, using contrasting colors and textures to create visually appealing compositions. They captured the perfect drizzle shot, the creamy dressing cascading over a bed of fresh greens, tantalizing viewers and igniting their taste buds. Section 3. Beyond the hype-building community through shared cravings. But this trend goes beyond mere aesthetics and viral moments. At its core, it's about community, a shared love for good food, and the joy of connecting with others through culinary experiences. It's about people coming together, united by their passion for flavors and creativity. The hashtag #NYC Salad Cream became more than just a way to categorize content. It evolved into a virtual gathering place for food enthusiasts to share their creations, swap recipe variations, and revel in their mutual adoration for this creamy condiment. It became a symbol of culinary camaraderie. Online cooking communities buzzed with activity as people from all walks of life joined in the fun. Recipe variations began to emerge, each with its own unique twist, reflecting the diverse tastes and creativity of the community. Some added a dash of hot sauce for a fiery kick, while others incorporated roasted vegetables for a heartier dressing. The possibilities seemed endless. The comment sections beneath these posts became virtual test kitchens, filled with questions, suggestions, and words of encouragement. It was a space where ideas flourished. This sense of community extended beyond the digital realm, creating real-world connections. Restaurants began featuring the salad cream on their menus, often with their own signature spin, adding to the trend's authenticity and reach. Farmers markets saw a surge in demand for fresh herbs, as home cooks sought to recreate the magic of the viral dressing in their own kitchens. The trend influenced shopping habits. Even seasoned chefs couldn't resist the allure, sharing their own interpretations of the recipe and praising its versatility and flavor. It was a testament to the power of shared culinary experiences. Section 1. Redefining the Salad Days, a New York state of plate. The frenzy surrounding this unassuming salad cream speaks to a larger cultural shift, a yearning for authenticity and a rejection of the mass-produced, the bland, the forgettable. It's a movement that celebrates the unique and the flavorful, a pushback against the mundane. New Yorkers, with their discerning palates and ever-evolving culinary landscape, have once again proven themselves to be tastemakers, trendsetters, and champions of flavor. Their choices often set the stage for national trends, influencing how the rest of the country eats and enjoys food. This isn't just about a salad dressing, it's about a city reclaiming its culinary narrative. It's about pride in local ingredients and the stories they tell. New York has always been a melting pot of flavors, a place where culinary traditions from around the world collide and coalesce into something new and exciting. This salad cream is a perfect example of that fusion, bringing together diverse influences into a single harmonious taste. But in recent years, there's been a growing movement to celebrate the local, the seasonal, the handcrafted. People are more interested in knowing where their food comes from and how it's made. The viral salad cream embodies this ethos perfectly. It's a symbol of the shift towards valuing quality over quantity. It's a testament to the power of simple, fresh ingredients, a rejection of the overly processed and artificial. It's about going back to basics and finding joy in simplicity. It's about taking a humble condiment, often relegated to the back of the refrigerator, and elevating it to something worthy of celebration. It's a small but significant shift in how we view and appreciate our food. Section 2. From local phenomenon to global craving, the future of flavor. The question now is whether this New York-born sensation can transcend its geographic origins and capture the hearts and stomachs of food lovers around the world. Will #NYC salad cream become a global phenomenon, a culinary ambassador for the city that never sleeps? The ingredients for global domination are certainly there. Social media has dissolved geographical boundaries, creating a virtual marketplace where food trends can spread like wildfire. The recipe's simplicity is another advantage, making it easily adaptable to different cultures and palates. Imagine this: street food vendors in Bangkok drizzling a spicy variation of the salad cream over grilled skewers, home cooks in Paris pairing it with fresh baguettes and artisanal cheeses, cafes in Tokyo offering it as a dipping sauce for tempura vegetables. The possibilities are as endless as the human appetite for deliciousness. Section 1. A creamy testament to the power of flavor. The viral eruption of New York's salad cream is more than just a fleeting internet fascination. It's a delicious testament to the enduring power of flavor, simplicity, and the evocative allure of a well-crafted sauce. In a world saturated with culinary fads and fleeting trends, this unassuming condiment reminds us that sometimes the most extraordinary flavors are born from the most humble ingredients. This salad cream, with its vibrant herbs, tangy zest, and creamy texture, has captured the imagination of a city hungry for authenticity. It's not just a dressing, it's an experience, a journey through layers of taste that evoke memories and create new ones. It's a culinary love letter to New York, a celebration of its diverse culinary heritage and its enduring passion for delicious, soul-satisfying food. From the bustling food markets to the quiet, cozy kitchens, this cream has found its way into the hearts of many. As social media continues to blur geographical boundaries and connect food lovers across the globe, one can't help but wonder if this creamy concoction holds the key to unlocking a new era of culinary exploration, where the joy of sharing a well-dressed salad transcends borders and brings us together, one delicious bite at a time. It's a reminder that food, in its simplest form, can be a powerful connector. Whether this New York sensation becomes the next global food phenomenon remains to be seen. Its potential to inspire new culinary creations and bring people together is undeniable. But one thing is certain: its meteoric rise to fame has left an indelible mark on the culinary landscape, reminding us that even in the age of digital distractions and culinary excess, sometimes all it takes is a simple, well-crafted sauce to capture the hearts and stomachs of millions. It's a testament to the timeless appeal of good food, made with love and shared with joy. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comments section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.